Ink tank printers have become a practical choice for households and small home offices thanks to their low running costs, high page yields, and straightforward refill systems. This comparison focuses on 5 affordable all-in-one models that sit in the $159.99 to $189.99 price range, spanning Canon, HP, and Epson. My testing
List number 1. HP SmartTank 5000 Wireless All-in-One Ink Tank Printer. The HP SmartTank 5000 is designed for high-volume color document printing with the replenishable ink tank system, borderless printing, and AI-assisted formatting to minimize waste. It ships with 2 years of ink and advertises up to 6,000 black or color pages from the box, making it compelling for families that print a mix of documents, photos, and school assignments. Key features include borderless printing, HP AI for cleaning up web content before printing, and a dedicated HP Smart app for print, scan, and copy tasks. The device emphasizes ease of setup, consistent Wi-Fi connectivity, and a visually straightforward refill process. Performance-wise, the ST5000 delivers up to 10 ppm in monochrome and 5 ppm in color, which is adequate for typical home use but may feel slow on heavy photo batches. The 24-bit color depth and 1200 by 1200 render DPI, black, and 4800 by 1200 color print resolution translate to crisp text and reasonably accurate photos for casual viewing. The included ink strategy, 2-year supply, reduces upfront ink cost anxiety, but ongoing replacement bottles carry a per-page cost that should be compared against cartridge-based rivals. User experience advantages include a mature HP Smart mobile app, reliable self-healing Wi-Fi, and a mess-free refill design that minimizes spillage. Potential downsides include manual duplexing, no automatic duplex, and a USB 2.0 interface that limits direct connection options versus modern.
List number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One. The ET2800 is Epson's compact, cartridge-free super tank offering that emphasizes very low ink replacement costs and long inbox ink life. It includes a straightforward refill system via EcoFit bottles and a flatbed scanner with a color display, making it suitable for everyday home tasks, schoolwork, and light office duties. The printer uses micro piezo heat-free technology to deliver vivid color results and has a robust warranty with registration. In practice, the ET2800 balances cost and capability with up to 10 ppm black and 5 ppm color speeds, a maximum color resolution of 5760 by 1440 DPI, and the ability to print on media up to 8.5 by 14. The EcoTank's ink bottles replace cartridges, offering an approximate page yield of 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages, which translates into substantial savings over cartridge-based rivals. The device supports USB and Wi-Fi with basic app-based control. Limitations include a relatively modest input capacity and slower duplex performance, and the need to manage bottle refills carefully to avoid spills.
List number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge. This is the white variant of the ET2800, sharing the same cartridge-free super tank design and feature set as the black model, including the micro piezo heat-free technology and EcoFit bottle system. It is aimed at households that want a visually lighter unit without compromising on the core advantages of EcoTank, high page yields, and minimal ongoing ink costs. From a performance perspective, the white ET2800 also delivers up to 10 ppm black and 5 ppm color, with maximum print resolutions up to 5760 by 1440 DPI. Like its color variant, it supports USB and Wi-Fi and benefits from Epson's 2-year warranty upon registration. The user experience remains consistent. Refill with bottles, use the built-in scanner, and rely on the Epson Smart Panel app for setup and control. Downsides mirror the black variant: no automatic duplexing, modest input capacity, and occasional refill-related spill risk if bottles aren't handled carefully.
List number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2400 Wireless Color All-in-One. The ET2400 sits just above the ET2800 line in terms of entry-level features and price, targeting households that want a reliable all-in-one with low running costs. It retains the cartridge-free system and the ability to print, copy, and scan, backed by a simple USB Wi-Fi setup and Epson's EcoTank ethos. Performance-wise, the ET2400 mirrors the ET2800 in speed, up to 10 ppm black and 5 ppm color, and resolution, up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. It emphasizes a straightforward setup, a rear feed tray up to 100 sheets, and relatively compact dimensions for a home device. As with the ET2800, you get the advantage of low-cost ink per page, but you'll forego automatic duplexing and may encounter similar refill logistics. Overall, it provides solid everyday performance with dependable print quality for documents and light color graphics.
List number 5. Canon Megatank G3270 All-in-One Wireless Inkjet Printer for home use. The Canon G3270 Megatank is Canon's affordable home-focused Megatank model that promises 2 years of ink and a large color per page yield. It supports borderless printing, a 1.35-inch LCD, and a broad media size compatibility that includes several photo sizes and envelopes. The device is pitched as a budget-friendly, easy-to-use option with a focus on total ink savings over time. In use, the G3270 delivers up to 6 ppm color and 11 ppm black in standard modes, with a maximum color resolution of 4800 by 1200. The Megatank approach keeps the running costs favorable, and the LCD helps with navigation and settings without needing a computer. While performance is generally adequate for home tasks and light office duties, the unit's slower color print speeds can be noticeable during busy color document runs. Its broader media compatibility is a strength for families printing photos in school projects, though it lacks some advanced photo features found on higher-tier Canon models.